Today I have a wig review. Today is my third day rocking this unit, and this wig was provided to me by BGM GIRL Hair. If you guys aren't familiar with them, you should check them out. They're all over TikTok and they're all over the tube. So if you guys are interested in checking out their website, I will leave a direct link to this unit that I'm rocking below, as well as a link to their website so you guys can go browse around and get into it. This is my jam for the summertime. It's the most gorgeous texture. So let me tell you guys what texture this is really quick, and then we're gonna hop in to today's video. This is BGM GIRL Hair's Beach Curly, and that describes the texture to a T. I'll give you guys some up close footage of how this unit looks. The texture is absolutely gorgeous. This is their M Cap, and it's a water wave texture. I have it in the 9x6 Wear and Go HD lace, pre-bleached. It has tiny knots and it's pre-plucked as well. This wig can be worn glueless, or you can choose to adhere it down, whatever floats your boat. And when they say this lace is HD, they were not playing. I didn't really have to do much to it at all to get it to just melt into my skin. So I'll let y'all be the judge. Let's hop into the unboxing and the install of this unit. And at the end, I'll give you guys a quick synopsis of my overall opinion about this unit. Stay tuned.
Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. What you see, how I roll, how I did it on the low. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking?
I went in with powder, with eyeshadow actually, to blend the lace. I always use this shade in the Judas Place palette, and I love this to define the part.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good.
Lately, I've been loving the look, like with my natural edges peeking out, especially like with these glueless wigs. So I'm gonna show you guys how to finesse it. So
tell me how I always was a blessing, blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the other hoes wasn't about you, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so chill. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit.
good morning. Gonna do a simple curly hair routine this morning. The edges they ain't edging how they was yesterday, but I'll get them together. I'm watching YouTube, y'all. But I feel like for this curly hair routine, I want to keep it really simple, so I'm just gonna use water and mousse.
Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking?
I noticed I always got black on, so my bad for that. So here's the hair, completely dry. I think I want to change it to a side part, but y'all know how I am. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. Again, this is 24 inches. Hey girls. So we are back. I'm sorry, y'all. So much noise going on in my background. They mowing the line. I just paused my TV, but I love how full this hair is. And it didn't, when I did my curly hair routine, like it didn't really hardly shed any, so that's definitely a good sign. I'm loving it. I'm loving it so far. I've had this wig on for a good 24 hours. So far, most definitely good. And I love this texture. It's so pretty. Y'all, if you are still here, you're a real one. So I want to keep this video really short, sweet, and to the point. As you guys seen the install, effortless, glueless wig, and I love the way the cap fits on this M Cap wig. It just meshed and just like melted into my skin even before I used any adhesive spray. I love the way that the lace was melting. Of course, if you are a deeper skin complexion like me, go ahead and add a little bit of pressed powder in your on the lace. I added it underneath, and I haven't went in and added it on top. Ooh, don't mind that. I did spray, and it's clocking me. Don't mind that. I should have wiped it off before I did my makeup, but that's neither here nor there. The lace is melted, okay? That's what we're here for. And I didn't have to add any powder or anything on top of the lace. That speaks a lot to the quality of this HD lace wig. And I did go in today and use concealer in the parting, and I think I like that better as opposed to the powder in the parting, but I always go back and forth. But I feel like it just looks way more natural, especially since I wear wig caps under my unit. I did my curly hair routine and I did it yesterday. Today, I just hopped in the shower and let it do its thing. I just let it get wet. I just had my hair down in the shower, and this is how it looks. So it's definitely a low maintenance unit. When I did do my curly hair routine yesterday, I got a minimal amount of shedding, so that's always good. This wig does retail for around $170 some odd dollars. Last I checked, I think I seen $177, and that's really good for a 24-inch water wave / beach wave unit, especially with this quality. This is what I mean when I say I want like a deep wave unit. Absolutely beautiful. If you guys are interested in checking out this unit, go ahead and check my description box. I will have a link to the products that I use as well in my Amazon storefront, just in case you want to shop around there. And yeah, let me know how you feel about this unit, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.